Good morning, I'm Peggy Newfield. Yay, you just got a dining gift card. We all love to receive those. If you are planning to use this gift card, just the two of you, then perfect. Use it anytime. But the reason we're doing this video is if you go out with a group of friends and you decide, first of all, instead of splitting the check evenly, you want your own separate bill. For you to put your gift card down going toward your amount is very rude. That card should be thrown in so everybody can use it. The great thing about gift cards is you should use them right away. Statistics show that millions and millions of dollars in gift cards never get used. So by all means, take that card and do your thing.